Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to generate AI photos of yourself. You'll be able to generate hyper-realistic AI photos that looks exactly like you. So guys, if you want to know how to do it, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So I will start by showing you guys the amazing AI photos, the beautiful AI photos I was able to generate using this app I'm going to show you guys today. I will be putting my real photos on one side of the screen so that you'll be able to compare it to the AI photos. So I want to show you guys the amazing work that this AI app is going to do for you in generating AI photos. So guys, let's get to see the AI photos. So guys, can see this one. You can go ahead now to compare it. This is an AI photo. It was generated using this app I'm going to show you guys today. You can see the resemblance. Let me go over to the next one. So guys can see it's looking so real. This is 100% real. Let me go over to the next one. So guys can see, you see the resemblance. Let me go over to the next one. This is so mind-blowing. This AI app will generate for you hyper-realistic photos. So guys can see, this is so mind-blowing. So guys can see, this app is not just giving us amazing photos, but it's also giving us good clothing. As you can see in the AI photos, I'm putting on different attires. As you can see the next one. This is a different attire. Can see the next one. This is a different outfit. So guys, this is so good. This is so cute. This app is so amazing. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you guys how you can use this app. So let me start by telling you guys the name of this app I'm talking about. The name of this app is called Remini AI Photo Enhancer, or you can simply call it Remini app. And this app is available for both Android users and iPhone users. So what you have to do is to go over to your Play Store in case you're using an Android phone, or go over to your App Store in case you're using an iPhone. Then you search for Remini app. So let me go over to my Play Store to search for Remini app. So guys, once your Play Store or your App Store opens up, what you have to search for is Remini app. So let me search for it right away. And let me search for it. So guys can see there, that's the second option, the red and white logo. So let me tap on it so that you're going to see it obviously. Let me tap on it. So guys can see there, Remini AI Photo Enhancer. So guys, what you have to do is to go ahead to read about this app. Let me scroll down to show you more features. So guys can see down there, the arrow is pointing at it. It has a review of 4.2, which means people are actually using this app and it's giving them their required results. So let me scroll to the left now. So guys can see now it has over 100 million downloads. That means over 100 million persons in this planet Earth are actually using this app, which is actually good. So guys, can go ahead now to check about the app. There are so many things that you can read about this app. So what you have to do is to take your time to read through it. So guys, what I want you to do is to download and install this app into your phone. Once you download and install this app into your phone, then you open it. So guys, there's something I want you to take note of. Once you open this app for the first time, you're going to be asked to subscribe to the app. You'll be asked to subscribe to a weekly plan or a monthly plan or a yearly plan under the light version or under the pro version. But guys, don't need to worry about that. I have in my channel a video on how to actually use this app for free, how you can be able to enable free trial in this app. Or you can go over to the description of this video. Just go down to the description of this video. You're going to see a link to a video that is going to teach you how you can be able to enable free trial in this Remini app. You're going to use this app for free. So guys, what you have to do is that once you're done watching this video on how to use this Remini app to generate your AI photos, what you have to do right away is to go over to the description of this video. Then you tap on the link so you know how to enable free trial in this app. You can be able to use this app for free without subscribing or paying anytime. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you how you can be able to generate AI photos for yourself. So guys, let me go over to the app right away. Let me tap on the Remini app. So guys, once you open the app for the first time, this is the first interface you're going to see. They're going to ask you to set up your AI profile. So the first question is pick your gender. So if you're a male, you go for the male option. If you're a female, you go for the female option. Since I'm a male, let me tap on the second option, which is male. Let me tap on it. Then you tap on continue. So guys, here's the next step. They're asking you to show us what you look like. So guys, what you have to do now is to upload 8 selfies of yourself, 8 photos of yourself, it of your real pictures, you have to upload it to this app so that this app will be able to use it to create amazing AI photos for you. You can see what is written here. Knowing how you look will allow the AI to create amazing photos of you. So guys, now for you to upload 8 photos of yourself, what you have to do is to tap on the icon below. You can see the button below where it is written upload 8 selfies. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Let me tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to direct you to your phone gallery where you'll be able to select 8 photos of yourself. So let me tap on it right away. So guys can see now it has directed us to our phone gallery. So let me open my gallery. So guys, let me go ahead now to select the 8 photos or the 9 photos that I want. Let me use this one. Let me select this. Let me select this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So guys can see I selected 9 pictures, but the minimum amount of photos or pictures that you can select is 8. So let me tap on open. You can see it at the top. Wow guys, you can see I've selected 9 pictures that I want to use to generate AI photos. You can see it. You can see them down there. You can see my hand scrolling through it. So guys, now the next step to take is to tap on continue. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Let me tap on it right away. So guys can see now the next step to take now is to pick a model. You can see what is written there, pick a model image. Our AI will generate images of yourself with the overall style and composition of the model image you pick. So guys, whatever model that you choose here, that's what this AI app will use to generate your AI photos for you. So if you choose this corporate wears here, you can see this man on corporate, this man on suit. If you choose that model now, this AI app will generate for you AI photos of you putting on that corporate wear, putting on that suit. Or if you go ahead now to choose this man carrying a child, you can see the arrow pointing at it. This AI app is going to generate a picture of you carrying a child. So guys, that's how it works. So guys, let me go ahead now to choose an AI model. So guys, before I go ahead now to choose an AI model, if you notice from the beginning when I was choosing my gender, I choose male. But at the point of choosing my pictures, at the point of choosing my 8 photos, at the point of uploading my 8 photos, I chose female pictures. So what I have to do now is to change my gender from male to female. And for me to do that, all I have to do is to tap on the button where it is written gender. You can see it down there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys can see now I can be able now to change it back to female since I chose a female picture. So let me tap on it. So guys can see now the AI models have changed. It has changed back to female. This is so amazing. So guys, let me go ahead now to choose the model. You can see we have so many models here. You can see we have so many outfits that you can actually choose from. Which am I going to choose now? Let me go for this one right here. Let me go for this one right here. Let me tap on it. So guys can see now the next step that you have to take now is to tap on use this model image. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys can see it's uploading our photos to this AI app. Once it's done uploading, it's going to generate our AI photos. So guys can see what is written there. We are working on your photos. So let's just wait for some time. You can see what is written down there. Don't worry, first time takes longer. The next time will take less than 1 minute. So guys, what that means is that if you're using this app for the first time, it's going to take a longer time. But if you're using this app for the second time or the third time or the fourth time or any time other than your first time, it's going to take a lesser time. So guys, let's just wait for this app to generate our AI photos. In the next few seconds now, our AI photos will be ready. So let's just wait for a while. So guys can see now the app is done working on our AI photos. You can see what is written there. Your first photos are ready. We created 6 photos of you with the selected style. So let us tap on take a look. So we're going to see the AI photos that was generated for us. Let's tap on it. Wow guys, can see this AI photo is so beautiful. It's looking so real. It's looking exactly like the person, like the image I uploaded to this app. So guys, now for you to actually save this photo, what you have to do is to swipe to the right. If you don't like it, what you have to do is to swipe to the left. Or you can either use the icon. You can see the icon on the left and on the right, the save icon and the delete icon. Whichever one that you want to use is going to work for you. So guys, now let me save this one since I like this one. So I have to swipe to the right. So let me swipe to the right. So guys can see I like this one too. Let me swipe to the right. I like this one, so let me tap on the save icon. Let me use the icons now. Let me tap on the save icon. I like this one, so let me tap on the save icon. I don't like this, so let me delete. So I have to swipe to the left for me to delete. I like this one, so let me save this one as well. So guys can see these AI pictures are actually so beautiful. So guys can see now they are creating for us a video. So this app is not just about creating photos. You can see this app has generated for us an AI video. And for you to actually save this video, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written save video. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see our AI video is being saved into our phone gallery. So let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, can see saved in gallery. So let me cancel out of this. So So guys, now for you to actually generate more AI photos using that model, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written generate more. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Once you tap on it, it's going to generate more AI photos with that model. But guys, I don't want to use that model again. I want to choose another model, and for me to do that, I have to tap on where it is written change model image. You can see where the arrow is pointing at, so let me tap on it. So guys, I can go ahead now to choose another model. So let me search for another model. Let me go for this corporate wear over here. Let me tap on it. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So guys, now let me tap on use this model image. So guys, can see generating our photos. As you can see now, it has a lesser time generating our photos. If you remember, the first time we used this app, it took a longer time, but now it's taking a lesser time, which is actually cool. So let's just wait for a few seconds. Let's just be patient. Wow guys, wow, this is so beautiful. Like, this is so amazing. This is looking so real. So guys can see I so much love this picture. So guys can see this outfit is actually mind-blowing. So guys, for me to save this now, what I have to do is to swipe to the right. So let me swipe to the right. I love this too. Let me swipe to the right. I love this too. Let me swipe to the right. I so much love this outfit. Let me keep swiping to the right. Wow guys, wow. This is so beautiful. So guys can see again, the app has generated for us an AI video. So for me to save it now, let me tap on save video. Let me tap on it right away. So guys can see saving the video again. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys can see saved in gallery. So guys, let me cancel that now. So guys, like I said before, if you want to generate more AI photos using this model that we just choose now, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written generate more. You can see the arrow pointing at it. And if you want to change your model, what you have to do is to tap on the button below. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on change model image. So guys, what you have to do now is to go ahead now to choose the model image that you want. You can see we have so many model image here. Let me keep scrolling downwards so you see them. So guys can see we have amazing model image. We have countless numbers of them. You can see they are so numerous. What you have to do is to go ahead to choose whichever one you want, and you can trust this app. The outfits are actually cool. The results of this image are actually mind-blowing. So guys, what you have to do is to go ahead, select the model image that you want, and you are good to go. So guys, there's something next I want to let you know. In case you want to generate AI photos for other persons like your friends, your family members, what you have to do is to upload 8 photos of that person that you actually want to generate AI photos for. And for you to actually upload 8 photos of that person into this app, what you have to do is to go over to the settings of this app. So let me show you guys how you can do it. Let me go back. So guys, what you have to do is to tap on the settings icon. You can see there at the top right corner, you can see the arrow pointing at it. Let me tap on it. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written AI photos retrain AI model. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do here now is to tap on where it is written yes delete model. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Once you tap on it now, it's going to delete the old photos that you've uploaded to this app, and you're going to be given the opportunity to upload the new photos of the person that you actually want to generate AI photos for. So guys, this is how you can be able to use this Remini app to generate AI photos of yourself and also for others. And also guys, don't forget to go over to the description of this video. You're going to see a link there. Tap on it. You're going to learn how to use this app for free. You're going to learn how to enable free trial for this app. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.